Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Yes Edu Academy. If you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon and get notified by our new videos. If you didn't watch the part 1 video, go get the link from the description and there will be a pop-up at the end of the video. In the previous video, we have discussed how to prepare students mark list in the Excel part 1 video. This is the continuation and part 2 video of the students mark list, and this is the demo sheet of the previous students mark list video. We have covered the topics. As you can see, I gave them in the demo sheet. This is the given data with total and percentage column. So along with this table, we are going to add some columns which leads the data to be completed by adding few more columns. Those are rank, pass or fail, grade, status marks and conditional formatting. In this video, I am not going to explain conditional formatting to reduce the video length. So now I am extending the students mark list header about 4 columns and giving the headers as we discussed. Ranking the students based on the secure score by using a functional key is equals to rank open bracket first cell of total, that is the range, comma first cell, press F4 to lock the first cell, double colon and select the last cell and press F4 to lock the last cell and click on enter. Drag it down to apply the same for all the students. Pass or fail is evaluated by the marks obtained by the students in their individual subjects. In Excel, we evaluate them by using the functional key is equals to if open bracket and open bracket. We will select the first cell Telugu greater than or equal to 35 and second subject D2 greater than or equal to 35 and third subject greater than or equal to 35 and so on till the last subject. After entering all the subjects in the same manner, give a comma and double inverted comma, pass, close the double inverted comma and give the comma, open double inverted comma, fail, give the fail and close the double inverted comma and close the bracket. Write down to apply the same formula for all the students and we'll get the result based on their marks secured. So here we got the fail for Ganesh in Telugu. He secured less than 35 marks. As we know, we have given the condition for if formula at the beginning is greater than or equal to 35. So he got below 35 and he got failed. Grading is given based on the percentage secured by the individual student. See, I am giving the grading here based on their percentage secured by using the functional key if is equals to if open bracket. Remember, I am giving the percentage. I am selecting the percentage cell greater than or equal to 91, comma double inverted comma open A1 double inverted comma close. I am giving the A1 grade for the students who got greater than 91%. If and open the bracket, select the percentage first cell and greater than or equal to 81, comma double inverted comma A2 and close a double inverted comma and so on. Give the grading based on the percentage. Remarks is the status of the student score they obtained in the exams and is given based on the percentage in which they scored. Remarks are evaluated in the Excel based on the functional key is equals to if open bracket percentage cell greater than 75, comma I am giving the status as excellent double inverted comma excellent and double inverted comma close, comma percentage first cell greater than 50. If the student acquires greater than 50, I am giving the status as good double inverted comma good double inverted comma close, comma percentage first cell is less than 50, fail. I am giving the status if the student acquires less than 50, the status will be shown as fail. And then close the bracket and click on enter. drag it down to apply the same formula for all the students. That's all for today's class. Now we have prepared students' mark list completely with all the functions. Hope the video was informative. For more educational content, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Yes, Edu Academy.